Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes how to fix external microphone not working in Windows 11. First method is change system sound settings. Second method is change privacy and security settings. Third method is change default input device settings. Fourth method is update input device driver. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.